This video is about searching for records. We shall use searching for contacts as an example, but the same principles apply for searching throughout Perfect PA. First, let's go to the blue search button here, which you can find on each screen. Here we are in the Contacts Work Address tab. We could alternatively use the Show All button here to create a found set of every record. Notice up here, record 1 found set 14, total records 14. Or we could go to Advance to use Perfect PA's postcode search routine, or to search on categories. More on this later. We go to the blue search button and enter data in one or more fields which identifies the search criteria. And we press enter. For detailed tips on searching and a list of functions, see the relevant section in the quick review guide, which we advise you to print out. To get to these functions, you can press on this arrow here, and there are search operators, and you can see less than or equal, and so on. These are operators you can put in fields to suit your searches. You can extend your search in two ways. Firstly, there is Find Next. We shall use an example to illustrate this. Suppose that you wish to create a found set of all those whose last names begin with the letters DUM, but you also wish to include Mr. John Texland. So we go Search, and we put the letters DUM in the last name field. Now we go to Requests, and it says Add New Request, and notice alongside there's a shortcut, Command N. You could use this shortcut from your keyboard. So we go Add New Requests, clicking here, and we now type in John Texland, and we press enter. And now if we look at our found set here, it is 6 records, and let's just scroll through these 6 records. Dumglass, Dumker, Dumlands, Dumsmith, Dummy, and there is John Texland's 6 records out of a total record number of records of 14. And now that we've got these 6 records, we might then want to send an email to all 6 of them, send a mail, letter, change something in one of the fields, but we can operate on this found set of these particular 6 records. The second way to extend your search is to constrain or extend your found set. Perform a find in the normal way to create your starting set of records. So let's just go back and search again for those beginning with DUM, and we have 5 records. Now we wish to extend our found set, and what we do is that we perform a new search, and we want to extend the found set by the gentleman Mr. Texland, Mr. John Texland, and we go up to Requests and we extend found set, and lo and behold, the found set has gone up from 5 to 6 records. Let's do this again and constrain the found set. So we search, and we search for all those whose last name begins with DUM. We press enter. There are the 5 records. Now we want to constrain this found set to only those people whose first name is Ian. So we press search, and we press request, and we press constrain found set, and we, in this case, get the provided find criteria is not valid. Enter a valid request before proceeding. modify find. So now we have the opportunity to enter a first name here and press enter. And lo and behold, we now have the found set of only those people whose first name is Ian and whose last name begins with DUM, and we finish up with just the record Ian Dumglass. That ends this video. In our next video, we talk about writing a letter and viewing communications.